Fastest way to check if a value exists in a list. What is the fastest way to check if a value exists in a very large list?
Clearest and fastest way to do it. You can also consider using a set, but constructing that set from your list may take more time than faster membership testing will save. The only way to be certain is to benchmark well. This also depends on what operations you require.
As stated by others, it can be very slow for large lists. Here are some comparisons of the performances for in, set and bisect. Note the time, in second, is in log scale. Code for testing.
You could put your items into a set. Set lookups are very efficient. Try. Edit in a comment you say that you'd like to get the index of the element. Unfortunately, sets have no notion of element position. An alternative is to pre-sort your list and then use binary search every time you need to find an element.
The original question was, what is the fastest way to know if a value exists in a list with millions of values in it, and what its index is? Thus, there are two things to find. Is an item in the list, and what is the index, if in the list? Towards this, I modified its little grass code to compute indexes in all cases, and added an additional method. Results. Methods are in basically if x and b, return b.index x, try/capture b.index x, scripts having to check if x and b, set basically if x and set b, return b.index x, bisect sort b with its index, binary search for x and sorted b. Note mod from its little grass who returns the index in the sorted b, rather than the original b, reverse form a reverse lookup dictionary d for b, then dx provides the index of x. Results show that method 5 is the fastest. Interestingly, the try and the set methods are equivalent in time. Test code.
period.